the video, you know, I'm making my car louder. So I actually have cherry bombs on this car, and I didn't put that on there. The last owner did. Guys, I don't know if y'all can see this, but these are cherry bombs. And then I have these really stock looking tips that I do not like, and it kind of just does not flow with the rest of my car. Like I have everything modded and they have stock tips. So I'm gonna put 4-inch chrome tips in the rear, and then cut those cherry bombs off to make my car louder. It'll sound way better. But yeah, I'm on my way. I'll pick y'all up when I'm there. Louder, but my valves are shut right now. They're closed. I actually don't know. It's an aftermarket, but no, it's aftermarket. Yeah, there you go. Alright guys, as you see, I'm at the muffler shop now with my girlfriend. Say hi, Camilla. So, couple news. Those cats were fake on my car. I have to take the muffler off the rear to put these exhaust tips on. So, my car is about to be obnoxiously loud. So I'm probably only gonna run the dumps at like car shows or something. And the straight pipes, you know, like when driving. Alright guys, this car is so loud now. It's like almost like a Mustang now. It's so raspy. That sounds so cool. What do you think? You think it sounds good?
Yeah. It sounds different from what he had before.
Yeah.
And when you rev it,
oh, that sounds so cool. Wait, this is it with it open. Wait, hold on, guys. Open? You like it open? You like it closed?
I don't know.
I don't know. I can't tell what's open and what's closed now. I'm gonna go through it. I'm not gonna do nothing crazy because I have to rebuild my torque tube. But I don't even know if I'm going the right way right now. Holy crap. Bro, straight piping is insane. Catch y'all later. Guys, I'm having so much fun with this. It's not near as loud on the phone. So good. I don't care if it's obnoxious. This is like so much more fun. If I wasn't already in love with my car, I'm way more in love with it now. So me and my girlfriend are at HEB because we're about to go watch a movie and eat ice cream together. But look how good these look, man. This looks so much better. I love this, dude. Alright guys, I'm about to go to the gym, but before that, I'm gonna get a little cold start. about to do a POV drive, but my camera's dead. So I'm gonna catch y'all later. Not gonna be right now. Would have been perfect time, but sorry about that. All right, guys, what is up? I know y'all love the POV drives, so I got y'all with the POV. First time doing a POV with this exhaust setup too. It's so obnoxious. I love it so much, bro. So I don't know if y'all remember, I said I have to rebuild my torque tube. So I'm trying not to do nothing like too crazy. I don't want my torque tube to just blow when I'm driving, because it will blow up like that. We will be going through one tunnel, and that will sound insane. I thought I was about to scrape right there. These roads, dude, are horrible. I didn't realize how bumpy my coilovers were until I looked back at the footage of the POVs. It's pretty stiff. Let's just run a stop sign, bro. Okay. So crazy. I know some of y'all are probably not gonna like the rasp, but I love it. So I started working. I've been doing roofing. It's pretty cool. I like it a lot. Just learned how to do the inspections, kinda. I'm not like good at it yet, but you know, time will tell. I'll get better as I go. But yeah, I'm doing like the media for it, social media, because I'm pretty good at social media now. Especially on like TikTok and Instagram, short form. Pretty good at that. If y'all know anything about Dallas, y'all will know the traffic at this time is horrible. And these highways are so confusing. So my first thoughts on doing a straight pipe, I thought it was gonna be like really droney, really obnoxious. And I actually drove this to work today, which is a 30-40 minute drive. Not bad at all. Drone is not bad. Because y'all forget, or I forget, some people forget that it's a manual. You control the RPM. You know what I mean? Like, RPM's too high, it's too droney, just stick it in a different gear. Not bad, dude. Go get that straight pipe, bro. I'm telling you, it's worth it. Squatted? What in the world? With my car being as low as it is and having a front lip, I do not overheat. So don't be afraid of putting a lip on. I know some people will be like, they'll ask questions like, does it overheat with a lip? No, not with this one at least. This one, you still have the good airflow. That sounds insane. My alignment is probably all messed up right now. Someone else is gassing it too. Man. This car sounds insane now. Oh shoot. Alright guys, I'm with the gym bro. If you watched that one video, we're about to hit back and by. And I'm gonna record a little bit of it. I'm out of my car. I'm trying to avoid driving it 24/7. The torque tube.
Yeah, he absolutely wrecked it.
No, I did not wreck it. All right, guys, let's go get this pump. guys, make sure to follow him, follow me, like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Let me know what y'all think about the exhaust. If y'all want more gym videos, if you want a gym channel, anything like that, just let me know in the comments, guys, and I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.